Hello guys, how are you? Welcome to AES Online English classes. Today we're going to do Book 1, Unit 10. Let's begin. Empecemos. Let's begin. The greeting for today. Hi, how are you? I'm good. What about you? I'm okay. Again, de nuevo, ¿no? Again. Hi, how are you? I'm good. What about you? I'm okay. Let's repeat. Repeat with me. Hi, how are you?
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. What about you?
I'm good. What about you?
I'm okay.
I'm okay.
Very good. Good pronunciation. Okay, we're going to continue with the vocabulary. I hope you have done the homework. Recuerden, chicos, que estamos en el WhatsApp para que envíen la tarea con sus profesores. Vamos a estar todos los días, en las mañanas y en las tardes, para que puedan enviar sus tareas. Entonces, las tareas de la clase anterior, que fue la unidad 9. ¿Listo? Vocabulary Unit 10. Vocabulary Unit 10. Let's repeat after me. Okay? Repeat. Ant. Bee. Rat. Fly. Hamster. Dogs. Birds. Kitten. Kitten es un gatito cachorro, ¿no? El cachorro de los gatitos se le dicen kitten. Por eso es Hello Kitty, porque es un gatito. Bueno. Cat. Spider. Cricket. Fish. Scorpion. Mosquito. Cockroach. It's cockroach, but normalmente uno dice simplemente roach. Repeat, roach. Roach. Right. So today we're going to do this. We're going to work with there is. Okay, there is. The pronunciation here is there, no they. There is. What is there is? There is I. So I say, yo digo, there is a rat. I, una rata. There is a rat. There is a rat in the room. Okay? There is a rat in the room. I, un ratón, una rata, en el salón. Let's pronounce, repeat. There is a rat in the room.
There is a rat in your room.
That's correct. This is one, no? It's singular. There is one rat. Pero si hay dos, entonces yo digo, there are. There are. There are, it's plural. There are 2 or 3 or 4 or 5. There are 2 rats in the room. Repeat. There are. There is. Okay. Singular. There is. Plural. There are. Okay. The pronunciation. There are. There is. Now, I'm going to read, voy a leerles, I'm going to read the dialogue in the dialogue that is right here at the bottom. Okay? Les voy a leer el diálogo que está en su libro en la parte de abajo. Okay? The pronunciation. You can repeat after me. Repeat after me. Repeat. There is a rat in the room.
There is a rat in the room.
Repeat. Oh my God.
Oh my God.
I hate rats.
I hate rats.
Don't worry.
Don't worry.
Okay. I kill it.
I kill it.
Okay. I kill it. Don't worry is no te preocupes, ¿no? I kill it is yo la mato. El héroe. Okay. Repeat. Oh, you're my hero.
Oh, you're my hero.
Excellent. So let's repeat it again. Otra vez, nuevamente. Repeat. There is a rat in the room.
There is a rat in the room.
Repeat, oh my God, I hate rats.
Oh my God, I hate rats.
Don't worry,
Don't worry.
I kill it.
I'll kill it.
Oh, you're my hero.
Oh, you're my hero.
Excellent. Now we're going to do the reading, la lectura del otro diálogo. Okay? Pronunciation. Repeat. There is a puppy on the street.
There is a puppy on the street.
Oh my God, I love puppies.
Oh my God, I love puppies.
Don't worry,
Don't worry.
I get it.
I'll get it.
Oh, you're my hero.
Oh, you're my hero.
Very good, guys. So I want you to continue. Vamos a seguir y van a hacer este ejercicio en la siguiente página como el que ya hemos hecho. Recuerden que estamos en WhatsApp, me lo envían al WhatsApp y lo revisamos. Bueno, lo envían al WhatsApp con el teacher para las tutorías y se hace la asesoría. Piensen en estas preguntas, en what did we learn, el que aprendimos. ¿Listo? Question. Is there a TV in your house? How many windows are there in your house? Other question. Is there a book on the table? How many people are there in your house? Is there a washing machine in the living room? The affirmative answer, yes, there is. And the negative answer, no, there isn't. Okay, guys. Thank you. I'll see you later. Bye. Now, we're going to continue. Vamos a seguir con Book 1, Unit 10, but the directions, ¿no? Estamos hablando ahí de direcciones. So, listen. We're going to pronounce this. Next to. Repeat. Next to.
Next to.
Across from.
Across from.
Around the corner from. Around the corner from. Between.
Between.
Okay. Next to. This is next to. Right here and right here. It's next to. Repeat. Next to.
Next to.
Across from. Es que aquí hay una calle. Okay. It's across from. Repeat. Across from.
Across from.
Around the corner from. Es que aquí hay una tienda y acá hay otra tienda. It's around the corner from. Al voltear la esquina. Around the corner. Repeat. Around the corner from. Around the corner
from.
Very good. Between is this. Right here. Yes, it's between. 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 Repeat. Between.
Between.
Again. Next to.
Next to.
Across from.
Across from.
Around the corner from.
Around the corner from.
Between.
Between.
We're going to do the vocabulary. Vamos a hacer el vocabulario, chicos. Vocabulary that it's right here around the city. It's right here, the vocabulary, okay? Pronunciation. Police station.
Police station.
Bank.
Bank.
Movie theater.
Movie theater.
School.
School.
Bookstore.
Bookstore.
Church.
Church.
Bakery.
Bakery.
Fire station.
Fire station.
Restaurant.
Restaurant.
Pet store.
Pet store.
Pet store es la tienda de mascotas. Repeat. Airport.
Airport.
Okay, now we're going to do a little role play where we find there is, ¿no? There is hay. There is. Y si voy a preguntar, entonces tomo esto y lo pongo acá. Is there? Okay, so listen. Voy a preguntarles a un gringo. Hello, sir. Hi. How are you?
Good. How are you?
Fine, thank you. Excuse me. Is there a restaurant in this neighborhood?
A restaurant. Yes.
Okay.
There is one on Park Street.
Okay.
Between the bank and the supermarket.
Oh, okay. Between the bank.
Between the bank and the supermarket.
Okay. All right. And what is across from the restaurant?
Okay, across from the restaurant,
Uh-huh.
you can find the park. I believe there's a park there.
No, the park is not.
There's
No, the
library.
park is not across from the restaurant.
Okay.
The park is next to the bank.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So you've been in that area. Okay, yeah. That's
No,
it.
I know there is a. I know there
So
is
there
a
is
park next to the.
What's in front of the park?
In front of the park, I'm thinking, and in front, across from the park.
Across from the park.
Across from the park, there is a fire station.
Okay, great. Okay, so that's exactly.
Let me make sure my map. Yes, there is a movie theater across from the park. It's a movie theater
Movie theater across from the park.
across from the park. Yes,
Okay,
sir.
So there is a movie theater across from the park,
And
next to the park
there is a bank.
there is a bank.
And the restaurant is.
Between the bank and the supermarket.
Thank you, sir.
All right, my pleasure.
Okay.
Have a nice day.
You too.
All
Goodbye
right.
now.
Bye.